Hi guys, so I had an issue with the Fiat 500 when I was driving on the highway. All of a sudden, one spark plug fell out, and basically I was driving on one cylinder, made a lot of noise, bop, 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 because the air was coming out of one cylinder. Did not have much power, so I had to stop. And to my surprise, this spark plug was just out and was still hanging on the high tension cable. And I have never seen this in my life. Why would a spark plug come out? Of course, it was dark. I had to call for a towing service. So what I realized the day after is that somebody, I mean the previous owner, put an extension on here, and this is an NPT thread, so it's actually not straight but more conical going inwards. And for some reason, now of course when you plug this whole thing in, you can just plug it in and pull it out. There's not, the thread doesn't work anymore. So very strange why they put an extension, and I'm guessing that this was not the right spark plug. So anyway, what I'm going to do, which is not, it's not cool to have this issue because you're thinking you need to take the engine out or you need to buy a cylinder. After some googling, I found that you can actually rethread the spark plug hole, and this is what I'm going to do with this here. I just got this kit in. So I bought this 14mm 1.25 thread tap, and the kit came with 4 of these spiral rings, thread rings. So the idea is that this is a normal spark plug here, the BR7HS, and the idea is that you take the equal length of your thread. So I'm going to take this one here. You put it on the spark plugs. I'm sorry. I saw that it was recommended to put a little RTV, red RTV high temp gasket makers, to put a little bit on this thread here, so it would actually stick a little bit better inside. So first, of course, we need to put this tap inside and rethread, and I'm going to do that now. Once that is done, put some of this RTV gasket makers, and then tighten the spark plugs. Leave it sit for a day, and it should be all fixed. So I'm hoping that this will work. Thanks for watching. So I'm putting the helicoil on, V-coil, whatever you call it. I'm going to put some of the Permatex gasket makers. Now I'm going to put it in the cars.